Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Fundbox for invoice financing and profit beginner guide step by step clearly. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the home page. You will be prompted to enter your business details, including your business name, email address, and phone number. After entering your details, click Next to proceed to the next step. Next, fill in your business type, such as sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Provide your business address and other relevant information as requested. Once you have completed that section, click Next to move forward. Now, Fundbox will ask for financial details about your business. Be prepared to provide your bank account information for verification purposes. After entering your banking details, click Next to continue. You will then review Fundbox's terms and conditions. Make sure to read through the information carefully. If you agree to the terms, check the acceptance box and click Submit. Fundbox will now conduct a quick review of your application. This may include a soft credit check, but it will not impact your credit score. Once your application is approved, you will receive a confirmation email. Follow any additional prompts in the email to complete your subscription. After establishing your account, log into the Fundbox dashboard. On the dashboard, you can view your available credit limit for invoice financing. Upload any outstanding invoices you wish to finance by clicking on the relevant option. Fundbox will assess the invoices and determine funding availability. Once approved, you will receive funds directly deposited into your bank account. Use the funds to manage your business expenses and improve cash flow. Regularly monitor your account to track repayment terms and any associated fees. This completes your subscription with Fundbox for invoice financing. You are now set to leverage your invoices for immediate profit and financial flexibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.